I just wanted to share some demonstrations I did at a wellness retreat. The first pour I did was a dirty cup pour with metallics. I did kind of a ribbon pour for this one. The second one I did was a tree ring pour for the center and a clean pour around the outside. I just kind of did a video of this so you could see them wet. And the first one was a dirty pour, and it's actually very pretty. I didn't get a great picture, but I did put some pictures at the end for you to look at. Then there was the clean pour and tree ring pour. I first did a tree ring pour with a blue and a metallic white, and then clean poured around it. This was a flip cup dirty pour. It was done with metallics, and I did put some silicone in it. And then the last one I did was a string pull on negative space. And they really enjoyed watching that one. It turned out pretty cool too. I just thought I'd share some of this with you. This is a reason I haven't been able to make much for videos because I've been busy in the garden, plus preparing my display and stuff for this weekend. These are kind of all the pours I had behind me to kind of show the different techniques. Then there was some string pulls, and I've also been doing some jewelry with Pebeo paints. It's kind of an enamel, and I kind of had those pendants, and I think the Pebeo paints I used was Fantasy Moon and the Prisma, and they both kind of react differently. Not only one of them makes kind of like cells, and the other kind of laces over top of the other. So they made some pretty cool eyes. So I made some different pendants with them. I also have some different painted pendants that I did with just acrylic paint and a brush and then sealed and glued together. But the PBO paint is more of a oil, I guess you'd call it, and it just reacts differently, and it was kind of fun to do them. I did a video on when I made them, so one day soon here I'll put some audio on top of it, because I only just forgot to turn the microphone on again. But you can't really see the beauty in these, but they sure are pretty when you see them in person. It's hard to get good pictures of them. But I thought, well, might as well share a video of my display so you can kind of see how it turned out, and I was very pleased with it. Really enjoyed sharing the love of acrylic painting and pouring with people, and my paint journey as it so goes, trying different things. These are kind of nice because I can paint them in my lap. There's a dirty pour that's embellished, and that's a string pour that I do have on my YouTube channel. I think I have a short video on this one also. And this again is a string. And here's a bit of my paintings, my journey. I do some realism painting and just a little bit of everything, just kind of what catches my mood. These are pourings, and then I have some more pourings over here and some paintings. I did a chakra series in all the chakra colors and embellished them with their symbols. And here is a brain fog. And this one, I believe, is Rivers of Gold. And then, of course, some whales and just some different pour paintings. Thanks for watching. And oh, yes, and here is my dirty pour dried. It is actually really pretty. Here's the geode. It almost looks like a rose in the middle. Now, the flip cup dirty pour with hair oil is going to have some flowers blown on it. And last of all is my string pour. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed this.